told you couldn't live a rock star lifestyle in the city of Toronto for under $1 million?
Well, you can, and we can show you how. And all you need to do is stick around and watch the rest of this video.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for future videos. Hi there, welcome back. I'm Dodie McDonald and this is Mary Morello, and we're with Home and Condo Market Brokerage. Well, we find ourselves here today at North York's newest condominium townhouse development, Sonic. This is located at Don Mills in Eglinton, directly across the street from the future Crosstown LRT, TTC Transit Hub, Ontario Science Centre, Oggacon Museum, and of course, the lovely shops of Don Mills. You couldn't want for a better location.
And here you can just move in and start living. The community is substantially complete. There's a beautiful array of both urban townhomes and condominium apartments, and both share in some of the most fabulous amenities that we are about to share with you. And so, to tell you a little bit more about our offering here at Sonic in Don Mills, we have a mix of product. We've got condominium suites as well as condominium townhomes. The condominium suites range in size from approximately 700 square feet to over 1,000 square feet and start in the price range of the mid 600s. We have both 1+ den and 3 bedrooms available. For the urban townhomes, they come in sizes ranging from 1,500 square feet to over 2,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, and some even have a built-in garage, all for the low price point starting at the mid 900s.
Now that you know about the amazing unit mix, now a little bit about the amenities. Cancel your gym membership because you're not going to need it. The amenities at Sonic are spectacular. You've got full gym, yoga room, media room, party room. Why host a gathering when we're able to do so within your unit when you can have a party room with a fully accessible kitchen? These are also extremely pet-friendly buildings. You've got pet wash station, an amazing dog run just outside the building, and of course, it's dog walking capital surrounded with all of the parks and trails that the Don Mills area has to offer. If you're a townhouse owner here, you can access all of those amenities in the condominium building as well. How's that for urban living with the luxury of all of the amenities?
And don't forget the meeting space, because if you are working from home, there's an awesome main floor amenity space that allows you to do presentations with full projection or just a breakout room for your meetings. An important mention here are the finishing features of these homes. What you see is truly what you get. These are not just spruced up models and get done for upgrades later. They're fully complete with uncompromised finishes.
Now that we've given you a quick overview of the Sonic project, please contact us to book your private viewing where we can take you through all of the amazing offerings that this community has. Feel free to contact us at the information on the screen, and be sure to stay tuned for future videos with Home and Condo Market Brokerage.